Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Max, and today I have my recent order from Coach Outlet. So I'll be unboxing it with you, unpackaging it, and hopefully it's okay. My cat kind of had a go at it, but I think it should still be intact. So I got this, Coach had a sale, friends and family 15% off, so I purchased this. Actually, I purchased a few other items. Unfortunately, they were out of stock, so that's kind of disappointing, but let's see. Let's see here. Kind of messy with the recycled package, but in the package so this is just a return information in case you need to return. I don't think I will be returning. And yeah, just shipping information and receipt. So this is it. This is how it comes packaging. So Coach New York. So this is from the outlet. This is the Anna Foldover Crossbody clutch. Okay, it comes with a strap. I'll show you that in a minute. On packaging it. Wow, this is stuck. Okay, there we go. This is the clutch. It's very cute. From refined pebble leather. It's very nice. I love the color. So inside, there's more paper. I guess label, care instructions. Here we go. So this is inside the first slot. Okay, and the middle slot with the card inserts. And the last slots. So it has 3 slots, lots of room, cute little clutch. So it's probably good to fit a phone, maybe lipstick. It's not bad sizing. And at the back, there's another slot here, an insert, so you can fit some stuff in there. Put card or paper. So it's very nice, very pretty. I chose this color, it's really nice. So I'll unwrap the strap. Everything is wrapped so tightly. I think I can just rip that. So this is this strap here. Now I'll put it on. Okay. Let's put it on here. And there, so it's super cute. Did wish the strap was a bit longer, but yeah, can be extended down a bit. So this is as far as it will go. This is the last hole here. Yeah, it's cute. And just with for one soda. It's very nice. So you can see the full length with the straps. And yeah, so as I mentioned, I got it on the friends and family sale that they had. I think 15%. So with tax and everything, I think it was free delivery also. I paid about $60 US. So it's pretty good. So, this will make a good addition to my Coach collection. I am very happy. This is, do I have another clutch? I can't think if I, can't recall if I have another Coach clutch. No, I don't think so. I think I have like a small crossbody bag. But yeah, so this would be the first clutch that I can add to my collection. So I love the style. It's small, but it's not too small. I think you can fit a good amount of stuff inside. You know, for like a quick outing, a night out. This is super cute and it's just really beautiful. And it feels really soft, really nice. And yeah, like that you can carry it with or without the straps. Either way is good. I think I probably will use it more often without the straps. You know, it's really cute. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.